Ecolab innovation is impacting industrial water and process applications. To achieve improved softening and demineralization performance, we perfected an advanced resin bead structure. It's called Shallow Shell Technology, or SST. In order for all resin beads to work, they need to be activated. But as we activate each SST bead, our exclusive process leaves the center inactive. Because the center of the bead is inactive, ion exchange cannot happen there. When we compare an SST bead to a traditionally fully activated bead, we effectively eliminate the sites that take the longest to exchange, are the most difficult to regenerate, and are the most susceptible to fouling. When regenerating exhausted beads, SST resins regenerate more quickly and efficiently because regeneration chemicals do not have to penetrate the entire bead. Contaminant leakage and fouling by iron, barium, and strontium with SST cations, and organic fouling and silica leakage with SST anions is minimized by the efficiency of regeneration. Typically, with SST resins, you save 20 to 30% on regeneration chemicals, with equal or better operating performance, and up to 50% savings in rinse and dilution water. When in service, SST resins have a shorter exchange path. This means that the efficiency of ion exchange is improved, and higher purity water is produced. But what about capacity? Logically, a bead with more active sites must have more capacity, right? Actually, no. Compared to SST, a fully activated bead has more leakage and lower throughput at the same regenerate dosage. Whether your system has a co-flow or counterflow, softening, or demineralization, SST technology is the solution. The economic results for softening applications are great. The results for demineralization applications are even greater. With research and development centers worldwide, Ecolab is dedicated to customizing solutions to your individual system challenges. Visit PureLightResins.com to find your local sales representative. Discover more information about how Purolite Resin Shallow Shell technology will improve your demineralization system and see why Ecolab is your solutions company.